Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up any type of preferred browser and search for Sweatcoin. Open up the first site that comes up and simply log in with your own account. Now create one if you don't have any account, or you can also download the app. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to its account's home page. Here what you need to do, you will be exposed to various features of the application. But what you need to do is select the bag or shop icon present at the bottom left of the screen. Once you are inside the shop page, simply scroll down and select PayPal gift card and then buy the gift card just according to your assets, and then you are done. And that's how you can transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.